Hello, I am Brittany Johnson, your interior designer extraordinaire, and welcome to Be Design and my course, Design Your Dream Home. This is going to be me sitting with you, just walking you through the entire project, like I would if we were face to face in real life, telling you everything I know about the interior design and construction process, while sharing the secrets and strategies along the way that will make your project flow much smoother and help you feel more confident in your design and ultimately end up with a home that you absolutely love. I decided to make this course because throughout my many years of experience working in every sector of interior design with all kinds of budgets, celebrity clients, and a lot of regular people, I realized that I pretty much have the same conversation over and over again. Clients either need help with A, where do I even start? B, how do I begin to make decisions when there are so many options? Or C, I don't know anything about construction and I am so afraid of all the things that could go wrong. And I'm going to assume that you fall into one of these categories because most people do. Building a new home is a dream for so many people. You've been reading the magazines, creating inspiration boards, and crunching the numbers, and it's finally going to happen. Yes! And then you immediately get overwhelmed by the over 300 decisions you have to make, the anxiety of what everyone thinks, the onslaught of advice from overly helpful friends and family, let alone the overwhelming amount of material options and, yes, the general uncertainty of construction. It quickly stops being fun. And I totally get it, but come on, you are finally getting to build your dream house. This should be awesome. Consider this course like a funnel. There's going to be a lot of information that I'm going to swirl around you, and we're slowly going to focus down to all the details that you need. There is a lot of information involved with building a home. So be patient, listen, and just think about the information as I present it to you. We are going to walk through the entire interior design and construction process in this course from step by step, from the beginning to the very end, from inspiration to moving in. And it's a lot. Go at your own pace, do the homework and soul searching that I suggest, and get ready to create the home and life you've always dreamed of. Try not to dart ahead because, like building a house, I will start with the foundation information that you need and then continue to build upon what you learn. So prepare your brain to absorb some serious knowledge. Take what applies to your situation and leave the rest. Most importantly, let go of the negative limiting beliefs that you've held up until this moment and know that you can do this. The vision that you have for your home, the way you foresee your space is exactly right, and no one can tell you otherwise. Do not feel like you need to do it the way everyone else does or the way it's always been done. This is your space, your dream, your life. Your home should be undeniably you, and only you can create that. Only you have this vision. So how are we going to do this? Module 1, which you are in, will lay the groundwork for the whole project. We are going to talk about what is truly important in your home so that you can make decisions based on the life you want to live. How to find your authentic style so that you can easily create a cohesive look throughout your material selection, and how to start thinking about your floor plan so that it can truly support and enhance your current and future lifestyle. Module 2 is filled with all the fundamentals that you need to know. I break down the more common design styles, how to read your floor plan, and a vocabulary list for reference. It's not a dictionary definition of terms or even a technical description. It's my translation of terms and how I would describe things to my clients. We will also go through your team, who does what, the hierarchy of interior design and construction, and how everyone fits together, and most importantly, where you fit in, which is at the top. Module 3 is the material selection process. Outside of this course, this is where most people start, and they find themselves vastly underprepared. But since you are so smart and working with me, this is the phase where you get to take all of that soul searching you've done and put it to work making selections from the heart easily. This is going to be fun. And again, this is a funnel approach. We are going to start very generally and work our way through all the specifics inside and out until we are deep diving into each specific material for each area of your home and why you might choose it for your project. It's a lot of information. So just sit back and take it all in, and then just take away whatever speaks to you. Module 4 is the actual construction process. It is a lot of work before you even break ground. So what to expect throughout this process, the emotions that you're going to experience throughout the phases, the discussions you're going to have, how to problem solve on site, and most importantly, whose opinion matters and whose doesn't. Spoiler alert, your opinion is really the only one that matters. And Module 5, furnishing your home. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. The house is built, you're tired and frankly sick of this entire process, but now let's talk about all those things that turn your house into a home. How do you finish your space? The furniture, the accessories, the decor, and how to keep track of it all. I am not trying to overwhelm you any more than you already are, but designing and building your dream home is a big undertaking. Just acknowledge that right now. I am here to truly prepare you for what lies ahead when building a home. It won't be easy. There will be too many options, and you will have to defend even the most basic of decisions. Your will and determination will be tested beyond measure, and when it's over, you will have created something magnificent. You will come out the other side more capable than you ever knew, and then get to live in the home of your dreams. So, now what you've been trying to do on your own, what you've been so anxious for, dreaming of, let's start designing your dream home.